Hello there. Let's go ahead and finish this packet. So this next question is pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to go ahead and put these decimals in order on the number line. So there you have it. I did put some benchmarks down at the bottom to help us out. And I did put the decimals all with the same amount of digits behind the decimals, so it'd make it easier. Okay, moving straight along. Next one, we had to multiply decimals. Remember, when you're multiplying, after you get your answer, your product, I should say, you have to go back and figure out where the decimal goes in the product. So here, I'm simply multiplying without the decimal, and then I'm counting 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal in the problem. So therefore, I'm just moving 1, 2, 3 digits over in the product to put the decimal. Same thing here. I'm looking and I have 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimals in the problem. So 1, 2, 3 places, I move it over. Next up, we have find each quotient. I know how you love your long division. So here we go. I've worked these problems out so that you can see what is happening here. And you will notice with this first one, we have a repeating decimal. And wouldn't you know, same thing is happening here with the second one. First one, you will see the repeating part is actually the 3, the 7, and the 0. And in this one, the repeating part is just the 6. So the repeating bar only goes over the 6. In this one, the repeating bar goes over the 3, the 7, and the 0. If I kept going, the next number here would be a 7, and the next number would be a 0. So you may have done a lot of work with this to figure it out. But there you have it. If you don't believe me, go ahead and put it in your calculator. If I've made a mistake, do call me out on it. You know that happens. Okay. Also remember when you are dividing and the problem's written this way, that you have to take this number and put it on the inside, in the house, the dividend, and then this becomes your divisor on the outside. Alright, moving along. We did not get a chance to talk about this yet, so this is extra. Some of you may know this. I put a little note in here for you, and don't be upset if you didn't get this. You may have Google searched, asked Siri, asked a friend, or you may have had a dream and it may have come to you in your sleep that all 3 angles in a triangle total 180 degrees. So if you have 2 angles, you can add them together, which gives you 55. And then 180 minus 55 gives you your missing angle. So here, x equals 125 degrees. And on this other one, you have these 2 added together is 113. So 180 minus 113, x gives you 67 degrees. This is something that we'll be talking about again in our last book of the school year, which is called Shapes and Designs. And another note here, this is talking about interior and exterior angles. Interior and exterior angles are angles that together form a straight line, and the degree measurements in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if I have 55 and I need to get 180, I'm just going to think what is 180 minus 55, and I'll get 125 degrees. This is my interior angle because it's inside of the triangle. Therefore, this is my exterior angle because it's outside of the triangle. Over here, same thing happens. And I have 37 degrees. So together, the 2 of these equal 180 degrees. And coincidentally, these three added together would also give me 180 degrees. And there you have it. The packet is fini. So, with that said, I'd like to give you a 2 thumbs up. Nice job for completing your work, and I will see you again soon. Ta-ta!